Now what we're going to do is actually this fuel section right here. Now this helps kind of guesstimate, will give you kind of idea of what you're going to be spending for fuel when you're doing your runs and when you input your mileage that you're doing for the week. I also included a link to where you can get an estimate of what the diesel prices are for the gas. So you just go ahead and go to the link. Hopefully this comes up quick. Here we go. So now if we scroll down and you have diesel prices, these are the current average diesel prices. So you see it's 245.7. So you go in here and you go ahead and put that in there, 245.7, right? And honestly, I have the miles per gallon at 6 because this is a good default to use about what your truck is going to be running, 6 miles per gallon. Now, I know my truck, I don't pull as much freight as far as how heavy the load is. So it might be 15,000 pounds. So I may be able to run 8 or 9 miles per gallon, or even sometimes I'm running at 10 miles per gallon, but I still leave it at 6 because I have a conservative number. I'm overestimating what the gas is going to be. So my suggestion is to leave it at 6 to give you a better estimate, but feel free if you see your truck doing more than that, you can go ahead and put your 8 or 9 miles per gallon if you feel that's what it is. And then it's going to calculate your fuel cost per mile. Now, once you have this entered in, it goes everywhere in the spreadsheet where we're trying to calculate for the fuel. So let's say we do 8, right? And you'll be able to see on the other side how it automatically generates the numbers which you're going to be spending. Let me go ahead and put that back on 6. All right, but that's the fuel.